We're Supreme Boys, and we got a dirt bike.
Kickstart that baby.
Let's try this.
Oh, Sean. Well, that was bad.
This dirt bike's kind of broken. Let's park it and we'll do something else.
LeBron James for a reason, bro.
Splash!
I'm coming for the NBA, bro. I'm like,
What's up, guys? I'm a gangster. Let's go walk across the water.
tiptoe. I just got done drinking my beer. Let's go roll down the hill.
Hillbilly status is probably a 10 out of 10. But who cares? He just rode through an ant pile.
Woo, baby.
Oh, hell yeah. I just got done taking a crap with my unicorn. All these little boys, he think they can jump over buildings. I can jump over a chair.
Come on, you guys both. Oh my God, Bo, clip that.
Back up!
Oh, sniper. Oh.
Can't find David. Oh God, what are you doing? Oh, geez, dude. Gee whiz, brother. Well, Vito's paused. We're in the middle of a hurricane. Hillbilly status still probably 9 right now because it's raining and we're not in the rain. We're under. So hillbilly status is 9. We'll check back into it. Oh gosh, no! We found some shelter. We're running. Hillbilly status is probably a 10 because we're going to the hobo's house. All right, we're in this hobo's house. Protected from the rain. I got a TV. Don't know how to turn on, but we're Gucci, fam. Boy, Supreme.